Okay, my friends, thank you to all the new followers. Thank you to everyone who's watching my videos from beginning to end. Thank you. Thanks to all of you. Thank you to everyone who's clicking that like button. Thank you. This is really helpful because this is what will keep me going and create more videos to you, more educational content, more videos that you won't find anything anywhere else. Okay, let's continue at where we left it. We've looked in this video on how to pick tops and bottoms, trend reversals. We dissected this chart, how this trend reverses. If you think we went in depth, wait to see what we are gonna see today. We are gonna go more in depth. Okay, let's go. Yeah, this one is just another trend reversal. Look, I wrote for myself this note on November 30, 2024. Price was here. Huge uptrend, but there is a TRL, topping resistance line, and possibly a wedge here. Possibly a wedge. A wedge is another type of major trend reversal. It just acts similar to the dynamic that's happening in the head and shoulders top. Look, not yet a short here, not yet. Because surfing, moving averages, and it's not extended. Bull bars are getting smaller. Yeah, look, see how bull bars are getting smaller and no follow through. Bull bar followed by bear bar. Bull bar followed by bear bar. Bull bar is getting smaller and having big wicks. Bulls are getting weak. Yeah, so just try to time it again. For example, like here, break, fail, it didn't close above, it didn't have a follow through. Imagine you are a buyer of this. You hate this action, and let's see, you stayed here. You definitely hate this one. Bulls are trapped at this breakout. Guess what? Fuel. This is like more than 60% fall, more than 60% collapse in the orange juice market. Now, just let's get back at this chart that we dissected in the last video. We are gonna see at this exact same chart and see what you are missing, what you are not able to read yet on a chart like this. Okay? Okay, we have seen that this is a bear trend, then constantly trying to reverse and failing until succeeding right here. And then it created this leg on pullback leg 2 that ended in a climax. Same here. Imagine you are a bull and you are buying this. You don't like this. You definitely hate this, and you are exiting. That's always in short in this action, especially that this is a pullback in a bear trend. And then it created here a higher low major trend reversal. Double top, higher low major trend reversal. Okay, let's get deeper. This is the bull flag right at this point that became later on the left shoulder, and this is the right shoulder. Realize that the right shoulder itself is an II pattern, inside bar, inside and inside bar. What do you do in this situation? You sell below the break of the inside bar. That's a valid short point. That's a very low risk entry point. You stop out just right here. Just right here. Boom. It gave you here, I don't know, 2R, maybe 5R if you. It pulled back. Okay? It pulled back. It depends how you manage this. Do you break even and do you break even is hit? Do you let it? Do you let a profit? Do you let a 2R profit become a. Do you keep stop loss? I don't know. There is a lot of ways to manage something like this. And then it builds here. It backtested the breakout point, and boom. And this is a wedge bull flag. 1, 2, 3. And boom. It gave a reaction here. If we see where did this gave a reaction to, it's not drawn here, but from this virgin mid. It's a support. It's a fresh, untested, powerful support. If you are someone who uses volume profile, you will see that here this zone here is a zone of very big volume. Boom. Leg one pullback leg two, and created the same pattern. It's a wedge bull flag. This one is even better than this one. This one is tightening. This one is expanding. If you are like me, you don't like volatility, you don't like expansion, you want tightening. Something like this, when it goes, it goes. It doesn't pull back. But something like this, see, it went, boom. But if you can structure here something that gives you 5R, that's just really, really good. We have a wedge, we have a backtest of this support, we have multiple reasons to structure a trade here. Okay, let's continue. Are you starting to see how we are experts at reading reactions in price? See, connecting dots. Boom, that's a downtrend line that gave this reaction. If you connect these swing points, they give you this point here. It's not drawn here, but at some point, if you do study a lot of charts, you will be able to read them even without drawing, even on a blank naked chart. You don't need any indicator. Price is the ultimate indicator. You don't need anything else. You just read price. Price, 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 price. Yeah, let's finish with this. Do you see that there is a pattern? That there is the exact same pattern in here, here, and here, and here. Look, up, leg one, pull back, leg two, leg one, pull back, leg two, leg one, pull back, leg two, leg one, pull back, leg two. What happens each time it does this? Leg one, pull back, leg two, boom. 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 Reverses each time. Look, even in the other direction. Leg one, pull back, leg two, boom. Even this one on a larger scale. Leg one, pull back, leg two, boom. That's why they say price is fractal. That's what it means. It's a pattern inside a pattern, inside a pattern. Endlessly. Zoom in, zoom out, the pattern repeats itself. Do you realize that This chart doesn't have a time frame or a price scale because this is timeless. You can use it on any time frame. It doesn't matter. Yeah, it works on anything, even on even if it's not price, even if it's like volatility VIX, something like this. It doesn't trade on supply and demand, but technical analysis works and it gives you very powerful opportunities if you wait for it and you size appropriately. You wait for them and you size appropriately when they come.